Hey guys! Today we have a lot to discuss. A great many features have been added and tweaked and refined. Let's have a look at what's new. First, CPA Goal, our default bidding model, is now in a public beta. That means the CPA Goal is still actively changing and improving. Actually, we update the algorithm every couple of days based on performance metrics and your feedback. So make sure to leave comments. To launch a CPA Goal campaign, you should set the conversion price you're willing to pay. We recommend around 70 to 80% of the payout amount. Once the campaign is launched, you can no longer lower the conversion price. With CPA Goal, you can increase the return on investment by reducing the rate. Instead, we recommend creating new campaigns. Another important aspect is targeting with CPA Goal. There are settings that you can adjust manually, such as user activity targeting, traffic type, and ad frequency. These targeting settings are included in the machine learning algorithm. This way, the algorithm can select the right bid based on the predicted conversion rate. As for now, CPA Goal doesn't work within page push ad format. But this is about to change. Stay tuned to our updates. Obviously, we also worked hard on improving the safety of our clients. Using Propeller has become even more secure. Now, all our clients can benefit from the two-factor authentication and enable Google Authenticator in their accounts. To do so, click on your profile in the upper right corner of the screen. Then go to the Security tab. Scroll down and click on the Two-Factor Authentication button. After that, scan the QR code and you're all set up. Once enabled, this feature will require you to enter the password each time you log into your account. Finally, another convenient feature we've recently released. Now users can copy creatives with just one click right on the campaign page. That's it as for now. Stay tuned to PropellerAds updates.